Chronic inflammation is a quiet driver behind heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and arthritis. But your plate can help quiet it. In the next few minutes, we'll unpack 5 foods with strong clinical evidence to lower inflammation and show you practical ways to fit them into everyday meals. First, imagine 2 dinner plates. On one, a Western pattern with processed meats and refined carbs. On the other, a Mediterranean style plate with colorful fruits and vegetables, fish, and olive oil. Western eating spikes insulin and fires up inflammatory receptors, while fiber, polyphenols, and omega-3s blunt pathways like NF-κB and COX stock locks. Simple shifts, the right pattern, and the right foods can calm the inflammatory signals in your body. Berry power. Berries are packed with anthocyanins and polyphenols that tame COX and lipoxygenase enzymes and dial down IL-6. A few weeks of daily berry intake can lower CRP and IL-6 by about 10–15%. Harvard data link regular berry consumption with lower risk of heart disease, diabetes, and cognitive decline, making this a daily, tasty habit you can keep. Fatty fish spotlight. Salmon and sardines bring EPA and DHA, which generate resolvins that quiet inflammation. 2 servings a week are associated with roughly 20–30% lower cardiovascular inflammation and events. In big trials, Mediterranean patterns that include fish show even larger cardioprotection, roughly a 30% drop in heart attacks and strokes tied to anti-inflammatory foods like fish. Leafy greens and nuts. Greens deliver vitamins, folate, magnesium, carotenoids, and flavonoids that boost antioxidant defenses and dampen inflammatory signals like NF-κB. Spinach, kale, and friends are linked to lower chronic inflammation and cardiovascular risk. Nuts and seeds add fiber, magnesium, ALA, and polyphenols, with habitual consumption linked to about 20–30% lower cardiovascular and metabolic risk. A simple snack of a handful of almonds or walnuts fits this plan perfectly. Tomatoes with a glow. Lycopene and vitamin C in tomatoes reduce inflammatory signaling, including NF-κB, IL-6, and TNF-A. Cooking tomatoes with olive oil improves lycopene absorption, making the combo a powerhouse. A meta-analysis shows tomato intake can cut TNF-A, and a practical target is about 15–20 mg of lycopene daily, with olive oil for best absorption. Putting it together, a practical day could be a berry spinach smoothie for breakfast, a berry mix snack, a tomato green salad for lunch, and a dinner of baked salmon with greens and olive oil. Aim for at least 2 fatty fish servings per week and 5 servings of fruits, vegetables daily. Sprinkle in anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric or ginger to enhance the effect. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and download the quick recipe guide in the description to start lowering inflammation today. Let food be your medicine, one delicious bite at a time.